System errors causing the yet another JSON library DLL crashes in YAJL Project. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we start the yet another JSON library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the yet another JSON library, the library for the yet another JSON library, YAJL framework. It is an event-driven JSON parser known for its extremely fast performance and low memory footprint. Without it, applications using JSON-based configuration files cannot parse their settings, leading to settings file load failed errors. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If the host software cannot locate yet another JSON library DLL, it indicates a corruption in the YAJL Project subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the yet another JSON library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type LODC_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for yet another JSON library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including yet another JSON library management references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing yet another JSON library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.